G'day, Ben here from Solar & Sat Bundaberg. A few months back we had a customer bring in their Isuzu DMAX and they loved the power system we did so much they've now given us their caravan to do up as well. Let's go take a look. Coming around the front here where their old power system was, they used to have a pair of AGMs in here, which is obviously a fair bit of weight to have right on your tow ball. So for that, and for the fact that they were having a couple condensation issues, we'll be moving it backwards just a bit to under their bed, which gives a little bit more room to work as well. Alrighty, under the bed here is where we're going to be putting all the power equipment, like your batteries, your inverter, your regulators, all that sort of stuff, out of the condensation they were experiencing in that front boot there, bringing the weight distribution just a little bit further back, and obviously we're putting the solar on the roof and running it down to this area as well. Starting at the top of the caravan, we've got 3 200-watt Shervy monocrystalline solar panels. The main idea of this solar system is to be able to comfortably run the coffee machine inside, and 600 watts of solar should surely accomplish that goal. There is room for expansion though if the customer decides he wants to run his aircon one day. So I've ducked under the bed here where we've got the 200 amp lithium battery, 2000 watt Enerdrive inverter, the 60 amp 240 volt charger, and the 40 amp DC-DC and solar regulator, which will obviously handle the 600 watts of solar on the roof and charging up the tow vehicle as they drive along. The idea of this system, and what the customers made very clear to us when they walked in, that they want to run their coffee machine, but a system like this with this inverter could quite comfortably run a toaster, small microwave, kettle, hairdryer, most of your general cooking appliances you may want to run around a van. It's obviously hardwired to every power point around the show, so they can plug in any power point in this van and have 240 volt access as long as their inverter is running. That's another healthy power upgrade done here at Solar & Sat. If you want something similar to run your coffee machine, or anything else for that matter, give us a call, come on in store, or check us out on our YouTube.